Subtracting decimals with models. So in this case, we're going to be using hundredths charts again. So you'll be needing your hundredths charts and coloring utensils. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to color in that first number in our subtraction problem. So in this case, it's 3/10. I'm going to color in 3 columns. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to cross out that second number, so 12/10. So I need to cross out 1 whole column for the tenths, because those are columns. Then I'm going to cross out 2 squares for tenths. Then to get my answer, I'm going to count how many are left. So in this case, we have 1 whole column left and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tenths left. So my answer is 18 hundredths. Let's look at another example. So again, my first step is I'm going to color in this first number. So I'm going to color in 8 columns. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm going to cross out 2 full columns, because I have 2 in the tenths place of 29 hundredths, and then 9 individual squares. To get my answer, I'm going to count up what's left. So I'm going to count my columns first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5/10, and then 1 square, so that's 1/100. So my answer is 51 hundredths. And our final example shows how you're going to solve a problem where your first number is greater than 1. So the first thing is, if it's greater than 1, you color in 100ths chart for each number greater than 1. So in this case, I have 1. So I'm going to color in 1 whole hundredths chart. And then 5/10, so 5 columns. Now I'm going to take away 68 hundredths, just like I did before. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's count columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 8 individual squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To find my answer, the first thing I'm going to do is see if there's any whole still colored in. There are not, so that's a 0. Then I'm going to count columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8/10. 2 individual squares, so 82 hundredths. So my answer here is 82 hundredths. And that is subtracting decimals with models. Thanks for watching.